Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see, this is one slide is pretty much look amazing. So let's see how we can create that. It's easy to how to create that, but the thing is that it's not one slide. It has two other effects that is really interesting, and I hope you like it. So let's start with creating the first slide, and the others will understand how to create that easily. We need to add a new slide. We format the background and insert a picture, and then after that apply the picture to all, and the background is cleared. So how to create these things? You see, they are mirrorly shapes and they are changing. So how we can create them? That's a really nice thing. Let's go to that. At first, the first thing is that the picture of the background is something shady, but the real picture is that. So how we create the background picture? It's just easy. We use the picture correction and reduce the sharpness so the background picture created. You see? But we are not going to do that because we do to the background. Now let's add the text and icons. I'm going to create one of them and then copy other ones. This is an icon. You can add it from the insert icons here. Then create this shape. Then just simply set to the slide background and bring this to front. You see, your slide is created, and you can also give it the outline you want. It's up to you. And then like that, add other ones. Okay, let's copy them because we have them now. And I create them. The text here is just created using Overdrive Sunset font and nothing special here. Overdrive Sunset. Okay, now for going to the next slide, you see the problem is we need a smooth transition. So how we can do that? We have the text box. What our text box created, we insert a box from here to here. Then set the shape outline to the color we want, for example like this, and a slide background. Then paste the text in it and bring one down, bring one here, and bring one here. Then what we do for each slide, for example this is the first slide, these are go to our top, and for example this come in first. Then for the next slide this come in, and for the next slide, for example, this come in. And then set the transition to morph. All your slides are ready. Look, the effect, the transition are nice. So there is one thing that you can add. You can, for example, let's see in this slide, if you click on that, go to that slide, how you can just simply click on that, go to insert, and add the hyperlink here to the slide you want. So it's go to them when you click on them. I hope you understand something and learn from it. If you have any question, just ask me. Have a nice